Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini with Google Workspace. Gemini integrates seamlessly across your favorite Google applications, bringing powerful artificial intelligence directly to your fingertips. You can access its capabilities in tools like Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Slides. This integration is designed to boost your productivity significantly, helping you with tasks from drafting emails to summarizing lengthy documents, and even generating creative ideas for presentations. Let's dive into how Gemini transforms your work in Gmail and Docs. In Gmail, Gemini can help you draft professional emails in mere moments, saving you valuable time. It can also summarize lengthy email threads, ensuring you quickly grasp the essential points. Moving to Google Docs, Gemini assists in generating comprehensive document outlines and even full first drafts. You can also use it to rewrite existing text, refining its clarity or adjusting its tone with ease. Now, let's explore Gemini's impact on Google Sheets and Slides. Within Sheets, Gemini can help you organize complex data by generating useful formulas and extracting key insights. It also assists in creating custom templates and categorizing information efficiently. For Google Slides, Gemini empowers you to design engaging presentations from simple text prompts. It can even generate relevant images and suggest optimal layouts, making your slides more impactful and visually appealing. To truly maximize Gemini's potential, remember a few key tips. Always provide clear and specific prompts to get the most accurate and helpful results. It's also crucial to review and refine Gemini's outputs, ensuring they perfectly align with your specific requirements. Don't hesitate to experiment with its various features. You might discover innovative new workflows. By integrating Gemini into your daily tasks, you can achieve significant time savings and boost your overall productivity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.